Hello guys! For today's video, I will be showing you the best VPN you can use to watch Netflix. If you're watching this video, you are most probably a subscriber of Netflix and belong to the over 200 million people who pay to watch the platform's title. It is the biggest streaming platform in the whole world and offers an array of movies and series that will surely make your next Netflix nights exciting. Aside from the films and series, they also have some Netflix originals that you can also watch if you are a subscriber to their service. And they are all really awesome titles. If there is one thing that can hamper your viewing experience though, it's the geo-blocking feature that they have. Ever wonder why some shows are not available in your country despite the availability of it in another location? That's because of the geo-blocking that they impose on their site. Your library is different from others, and so you can't really access titles published outside of your country of residence. Fret not though, because there is a workaround for this, and that is through a virtual private network, or a VPN. It is a tool that works by rerouting your internet traffic and redirecting it to another location by connecting it to a server that comes from your host VPN. This is why I'd like to show you PureVPN, the best tool you can use for watching Netflix. PureVPN is the best, and it becomes even better because it is really easy to install. Here, I'll show you how. The first thing you need to do is download PureVPN. For a much quicker way though, you can just click the link down below. Next, choose the plan that you want. PureVPN has 1 month, 12-month, and 24-month subscription that you can choose depending on how long you plan on using it. For the sake of this video, let's go with a 1-month plan. This next step is for you. You have to download the EXIF file from their website, which should take a couple of seconds. After which, click the file and run it as administrator so that it will install completely. If there are other permissions needed to be granted, just say yes to all of it. In a matter of minutes, the installation should be finished. Once your application has finished installing, you can now launch it and sign into your account. This is the same for all applications that require a sign-in, so it should be easy for you to follow. After you've logged in, you will be shown an overview of PureVPN's features, and then you will be able to select your server of choice. Say hello to a whole new viewing experience with Netflix and explore countless libraries with your chosen server. It's quick and easy, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, show us some support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And make sure to have your notifications open so you'll be updated whenever we post similar content. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in our next video.